these days I'm feeling something weird riding this KTM, guys, KTM Adventure. So I strongly feel that there's some rat attack on the bike because I'm getting some weird smell. So from here, when I'm smelling it from here, this place, I'm getting that smell, that acidic smell. And also when I'm throttling it, like the throttle response, when I throttle, it's not going back. So for example, when I'm throttling it, it's staying constant, it's not going back. So I feel some wires inside have like maybe cut, so because of which I'm facing this issue. So I decided to go to the service center. So let's have this checked and see what issue that we're facing here on the bike now. It's a brand new bike. Only the first service is done as of now, and I'm planning for a big ride as well. So I just want to ensure everything is perfect before I go on the ride. So let's hit the service center and let's see what to do next. So it's been a rat attack on my bike. Like I told you last time, right? There's a rat issue near my house. So I've come to the service center again to check what damage we have done on the bike now. See, look at this first wire cut. This one. Over here also there's one wire that is cut. Here. If you see this wire, it's cut by the rats. So we're going to check everything here. Let's see what damages are there apart from that one. Petrol cut ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
This is the breather pipe.
ಈ ಪೈಪ್ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ?
ಲೈಕ್ ಈಗ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಇಂಜಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು.
ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದು?
ಹಾ, ಇಂಜಿನ್ ಆಯಿಲ್.
ಓ ಶಿಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಂಜಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
This pipe is gone. See this pipe and then this one, these wires. So Mr. Lokesh was the technician from KTM BTM service center who was actually helping me with this. Very disappointing, man, to see, didn't expect so much damage. I knew something had definitely happened.
ಆರನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಆರನ್ ಸ್ಪೇರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆರನ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಇದೊಂದು ಪೈಪ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ,
ಬ್ರೀದರ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಒಂದು ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ.
If you see the pieces that he was removing from the bike, that literally, very hurtful, man. Everything that happened, everything that I was seeing there was like literally hurting me so much. Never expected this, but Bangalore these days, the rats have become like a major problem. So you guys be very careful when you park your bike somewhere. The good part was there was no damage on the fuel pipe, so there was no fuel leakage. Apart from that, there were many wires because of which the acceleration also was an issue. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೇನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಮೇನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು.
I just took some reassurance from Lokesh that if all the parts are available. Thankfully, KTM had all the parts for the bike. This is one of the worst experience, guys. This is a very new bike, maybe just 3 months old, and this happened. So the good thing is BTM showroom, they have all the parts available, so I don't have to suffer for the parts. At least I was very worried about that, especially, but at least all the parts are available. Let's see how fast this happened. And I was like literally worried, man. I couldn't even sleep the entire day. Look at my face. So I was in office, and when I was going to office, then that traction control didn't work. I was getting an error. I thought like some small issue, but then when I saw it was a rat issue again. When I'm opening the tank, we saw multiple places where like small pieces have been here and there. They are bitten and have gone. It's not like I'd kept this bike, abandoned for like a lot of days. Probably it was like just 1 or 2 or 3 days maximum. One thing I noticed that it was raining that day. Probably when the rain came and then these mice wanted some place to hide, they entered the bike and they started sitting over there. That can be a possibility, but I'm not really sure, how this happened. Even there's no food spill and all of that, but there is a dustbin which I've noticed. Probably because of that, the rats have still come in. So now what we are doing is we are finally trying to fix all the wires. If you see there, we are trying to cover it with the tape, and that's we're trying to fix it. ಅದೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಸರ್ ಅದು ಪೈಪ್ ಹೆಸರು ಏನದು
Breather house.
this part is completely gone all over here. So we are going to replace that now. I think almost we are done with the main wiring and all of that. Now that is the biggest thing. See, he has removed it. This is the breather house. So see how it is damaged, completely destroyed, man. Even this rubber, everything. Completely opened everything. Skeleton. See, my parts all are here. So basically, the device that you're seeing, which is attached to the bike, is nothing but connected to the phone, where you check for all the sensors. If all the sensors are working properly, if there's any issue, everything will be deducted with an error on the device that they have. So finally, we are putting all the parts together. Thankfully, everything was sorted, and the device didn't show any error. So everything was good, even though there was a lot of rat bites and rat attacks on the bike. The major components like the fuel and all of that, fuel system pipe and all of that, that was not affected. That was a good thing.
ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಇದನ್ನು ಬೆಡ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಲೆಂತ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅದು ಲೆಂತ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಅವರು BTM ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಜಾಬ್. ಸೂಪರ್, ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಜಾಬ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಈಗ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಬ್.
ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ಟೋಟಲ್ 8 ವೈರ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಟ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ವೈರಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ನೆಸ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ.
Finally, I'm back from the service center, guys. So finally the bike is completely fixed. So I'm happy as well as a little bit sad, because it was a new bike and that shouldn't have happened, right? But this is a video for everyone, just to ensure that your bike is in a safe place and nothing happens. So this is a product from Tomcat rat repellent. This is not a promotion. This is just to help you guys, because I have started using this now on the bike, and let's go down and let's also apply it on the bike. Let's see how it works. But lot of good reviews about this product, so I just thought of buying it. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. And yeah, man, a sad day for me. This is the Tomcat rat repellent spray, which I'll be using on the bike. The smell is very strong, so they have also provided this mask. So first thing, we have to wear this mask. So let's apply it to all the exposed wires so that rats won't come afterwards. So this area is where the rats came from. So let's spray it a little here and then on the wires. So even here I'm actually getting a small strong smell from here. So I'm going to spray it here as well. So all the places where the rat might attack, I'm going to use this spray, and I'll let you know how effective this is. Let's see how effective it is, and then let's decide Alright, I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching it till the end. Bye bye.